Welcome to ClearTask. Today we will format the standard deviation equation in Microsoft Word. Open your document and navigate to the Insert tab on the top ribbon. On the far right, click on Equation, then select Insert New Equation. A new equation area will appear on your page. From the symbols gallery at the top, find and click the lowercase sigma symbol. Then type an equals sign. Open the radical drop-down menu and select the basic square root option. Click the empty dotted box inside the square root to highlight it. Open the fraction menu and choose the first stacked fraction option. Click the top box of the fraction. Navigate to the large operator menu and select the standard summation sign. Click the empty box next to the summation. Open the script menu and choose superscript. Click the larger base box. Go to the bracket menu and select parentheses. Click inside those parentheses, open the script menu again and choose subscript. Now we can fill in the variables. In the first box, type X, and in the small subscript box, type I. Press the right arrow key once on your keyboard to move out of the subscript. Type a minus sign and insert the mu symbol from the symbols gallery. Click the small superscript box at the top right and type 2. Finally, click the bottom box of the entire fraction and type a capital N. Your standard deviation equation is now completely formatted and ready to use. Thank you for watching ClearTask. Subscribe for more direct and professional software guides.